Hey, my name's Spencer, and I recently had the pleasure of working with ProShine, their team, to get my air ducts cleaned recently. And I just wanted to share a little bit about my experience with you guys, in case you're on the fence about maybe working with the company or this service. From the very beginning, their team was just incredibly professional. They showed up right on time and communicated with me every single step of the way, making sure that I knew exactly what to expect. So that was incredible. And then they took the time, once they were on property with me, to educate me through the entire process. So after my new air conditioning system was installed, they did a full evaluation to ensure everything was installed correctly and efficiently, and then they performed a really comprehensive duct cleaning, which was a real eye-opener for me. They showed me pictures of before and after, and it was unbelievable. I just had no idea how much bacterial and mold growth can really accumulate in ducts over time. Even with a brand new system, if the ducts aren't cleaned, you're just blowing all of that gunk through your house. And ProShine's team went through every vent. They brushed everything out. They went through it all thoroughly. They vacuumed everything up. They even laid down drop cloths to keep my home clean. And then afterwards, when they were done, they went through and vacuumed all of my carpets, not just the affected areas, but all of my carpets throughout the house. So it was absolutely incredible. So ultimately, I just was super impressed, and I believe that every homeowner should at least consider this service because it's truly not a luxury. It's a necessity after seeing what I saw, and I just couldn't recommend ProShine cleaning to anyone more highly. If you're looking to improve your overall home's air quality, the overall efficiency, or honestly, if you just haven't had a duct cleaning done really in the entire time that you've been there or in the last, let's say, 2 years, because it is amazing what can happen inside your air ducts. And if you're anything like me, I had zero idea that was even a service or that I should be concerned about it. And after seeing those pictures, it was a real eye-opener. So I hope this helps your decision on using ProShine and their services.